Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Dune Part 2 theme on Instagram. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. You need to update your Instagram application first by clicking on this update. Once you complete that step, you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account. Once you log in, click on Messenger icon on the top right. So once you are here in the conversation, you need to select any conversation with your friend and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to select theme and select Dune part 2. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.